Hi everybody, in today's lecture we are going to study about combinations. Now first of all, the definition of combination is a selection of a set of R elements from a set of n distinct elements is called combination. Where 0 less than equal to r less than equal to n. Okay, and it is denoted by notation is NCR or C into bracket n comma r, that is combination of n elements taking r at a time, and its formula is NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay, is a formula for combinations. Now example related to combination is how many numbers are there between 100 and 1000 in which all the digits are distinct, Okay, so in solution, first of all, the number between 100 and 1000 all are of 3 digits number. So here first of all you have to note down number between 100 and 1000 or 100 to 1000 are 3-digited number, and total number available to fill in it are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so if I consider this as a 3-digit number, 1, 2nd and 3rd, okay, that means it is a 100th place, it is a 10th place, and it is a unit place or first place. Okay, now in this at 100 place, if you consider from 0 to 9 number, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if you consider these 10 numbers, this total are 10. Okay, now from this 10 there are how many possibilities can be taken at 100th place? I think if you consider from 1 to 9, it will be considered at 100 place. That means you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 possibilities at 100 place. You can't consider 0 in that place. So it will consider 9 possibilities for 100 place. Now for 10th place, here if I consider that one number is over from this 1 to 9, okay, so remaining possibilities you can consider here 0. So from here total number were 10, from that we have used one number at this place, so remaining number 10 minus 1 is 9. So at 10 place there will be 9 possibilities, because it is given that a question is given that in which all digits are distinct. Okay, that means you have here 9 possibilities at 10th place. And for unit place, from this 10, these two numbers are used. At 100 place one number is used, and 10th place one number is used. So there are 8 possibilities for unit place. Okay, for example, if I consider 1 at 100 place, okay, it is at 100 place, so remaining possibilities are 2 3 4 5 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, at 10 place. So if I consider 0 as this place as a 10 place, so here 0 is over, 1 is over, so remaining numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 possibilities at unit place. Okay, so if I consider, so here you can consider any number. Okay, so that type here, if it is, there are 9 possibilities as 100 place, 9 possibilities at 10th place, and 8 possibilities at 1th place. Okay, so here you may write here for 100 place which number are possibles: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, that is for 100 place 9 choices are there. Okay, now for 10th place, we choose any among 0 to 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, but one number is already used at 100 plus. Okay, so therefore at 10th place there are 9 choices. Okay, so at 10th place there are also 9 choices. Similarly, at unit place, because we are considering one number at 100 place and one number at 10th place, so 2 numbers are deleted from 0 to 9. That means there are 8 possibilities. So at unit place we have 8 choices. Okay, so therefore total counting of distinct number between 100 to 1000 is equal to 9 into 9 into 8, which is equal to 648 numbers are distinct. That means in which no number is repeated. Okay, distinct means there is not repetition of the number. That means in that you will not consider this type of number 1 1 2 3-digit number, because 1 is repeated at 100 at 10th place and 100 place. Okay, so this is a repetition. Okay, in this we will get a numbers of the type 1 2 3 102, this type of number. All numbers are distinct there. Okay, now next question of same type, it is given that how many different numbers can be formed from the digit 0 2 3 4 5 6 0 2 3 4 5 6 lying between 100 and 1000, in which no digit being repeated, question mark, and another question is added in that how many of them how many of them are not divisible by 5? Are not divisible by 5. So we have to consider, now here it is again in between 100 to 1000 there are 3 digit number. If I consider it as by this box, now it is 100 place, it is a 10th place, and it is a unit place, first place. Okay, now at 100 place we have a choices. We have 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, because 0 can't be taken at 100 place, so there are only possibilities 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 choices. Okay, that is 5 choices at 100 place. Okay, now for 10th place we have 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but we are using one number at 100 place, so there are only how many possibilities but one number already used at 100 place, used at 100 place. Therefore we have how many choices there? Here total numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 numbers are given, and from that one number is used, so we have 5 choices at 10th place. Okay, or you may write here we have 5 choices, at 10th place also we have 5 choices, and for unit place or for first place we have, here we have used 2 numbers at 100 place and at 10th place, one number each, so it will remain. So total number given are 6 numbers. From 6 we have to subtract 2, so we have 4 choices at 10th unit place. So we have this 4 choices at unit place. So the total number of possibilities or the number being repeated is equal to 5 into 5 into 4. So number of total numbers are, or you can write total numbers are equal to 5 into 5 into 4, 5 into 5 into 4, which is equal to 100. Okay, so we get 100 numbers in between 100 to 1000 in which no digit is repeated, Okay, okay, now here second question is given that how many of them are not divisible by 5. Okay, so here first of all we have to find the numbers divisible by 5. Okay, so first here from these numbers 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if the unit place is 0 or 5, it will be divisible by 5. Okay, now if 0 or 5 appears at unit place, then that number is divisible by 5. That number is divisible by 5. Okay, so first, if 0 is unit place, is in unit place, then 100th and 10th place, 110th place have 5 and 4 choices, 5 and 4 choices. Okay, that means you may take remaining numbers at 100th place and at 10th place. Okay, so these numbers are 5 into 4, which is equal to 20. That means if I consider 0 as at a unit place, the number of total numbers with 3 digits with 0 at unit place will be 20 numbers. Okay, and if 5 appears in unit place, then 100th place. Now for 100th place there will be possibilities. Here 0 can't be taken as a 100th place, so from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is at a unit place, so number of possibilities at 100th place will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means here there will be 4 choices. Okay, that are which are 2, 3, 4 and 6. 0 can't be taken at 100th place. And 10th place has again from 6 2 numbers are used, 6 numbers 2 numbers are used, so it will have 4 choices. Okay, it will have 4 choices for 10th place. Therefore these numbers are 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Okay, that means we have total numbers divisible by 5. Total numbers divisible by 5 is equal to 20 plus 16, which are 20 plus 16 is equal to 36 numbers which are divisible by 5. Hence total numbers which are not divisible by 5, which are not divisible by 5 is equal to, now here total numbers are 5 into 5 into 4, which are 100 numbers in which no digit is repeated. So we have to subtract 100 minus 36, where total numbers are hundreds, in that 36 are divisible by 5, and here question is given that which are not divisible by 5. We have to find the numbers which are not divisible by 5. So 100 minus 36 is equal to 64. That means there are 64 3 digits numbers formed from 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, formed from 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which are not divisible by 5. Okay. For homework, you may also find the question same for this also. From here it is given 0 to 9 numbers are given, and you may find how many numbers are divisible by 5 and how many are not divisible by 5. Here you may find a question for homework. From this you may add here we may add how many of them are divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 and not divisible by 5. Okay, so this is your homework. Now consider next example. How many strings of 3 decimal digits with repetition allowed with repetition allowed. A in that begins with an odd digit, that begins with odd digit. And second B, have exactly two digits that are fours. Okay, so here we have to given an question. We have given that a string of 3 decimal digits with repetition allowed. That means you may take a number anytime in that 3 digit that begin with odd digit. That means the number 3 digit number which begins with odd digit we have to find, and have exactly 2 digits that are fours. That means we have to find the numbers 3 digit number in which 4 are present at any places. Okay, now for first, total number of digits are which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. So they are 10 digits, are 10. Okay, out of that here odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, which are 5 are odd. Okay, so for first it is given that for 3 digit number, for 3 digit or for 3 decimal digit, okay, decimal digit, 100 plus may be any one out of 5 odd digit numbers, 5 odd digits. Okay, similarly unit place and 10th place may be one digit out of total 10 digit, out of total 10 digit. That means if I consider 3 digit number, first, second and third digit, so here the possibilities are odd. We have to find first question given that begins with odd digit. That means there are possibilities 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Here are possibility 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So there are 5 possibilities at 100 plus. Okay, so for 10th place there are possibilities 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Because repetition is allowed, so there are 10 possibilities or 10 choices for 10th place. And for unit place also repetition is allowed, so we can write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are again 10 choices for unit place, first place. So total numbers of such 3 decimal digit starting with odd or begin with odd digit is equal to 5 into 10 into 10, which is equal to 500. Okay, so this is the answer of our first part. For second part, so for second we have to find the exactly 2 digits that are fours. Okay, so 3 decimal numbers having exactly 2 digits that are 4s, that is only one digit other than 4. Okay, that means in 3 digit, if there are 2 4s, 2 digits are 4s, then there is only one digit remaining. Therefore there exist 3 different cases. In that first case is, if first digit is 4, second is dash, or we have any possibilities other than 4, all alternatives from 0 to 9, which means there are 9 choices. Here it will have 9 choices. Okay, second case will be a 4 and dash. That means here 4 is used, okay, 2 times. Other than 4, all alternatives, that means same from 0 to 9, which is equal to 9 again. And third possibilities is here 4 and this dash, which implies that other than 0 and 4, all alternatives from 0 to 9. That means we can't use 0 and 4 at that place, because if you use 0, it will be 2 digit number. So we can't use 0 at that place. So only remaining possibilities are 2 numbers are deleted from 10 numbers. So there are 8 possibilities. So total numbers of such digits is equal to 9 plus 9 plus 8, which is equal to 9 plus 9 plus 8 is 26, which is our required solution. Okay. Now for homework, you may consider an example. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed from digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 with repetition possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with repetition possible, and which are divisible by 5. Okay, so same type of question we have solved for 3 digit. Here numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is your homework. So for today we will stop here. In next lecture we will go through the next examples related to combinations. Okay, thank you.